Hey guys, what's up? This is Gundakshan. I'm back from Godzone. So finally we got the 4-gun loadout. I will be only using 3 guns, obvious reasons. You can see I won't be using machine gun in higher leagues. And yeah, these are the things that I will be using. I will be using bear trap. You can see, yeah, sunburst with my scorpion, bear trap with my eye, and sniper. You can see the perks will be only available for the particular loadout and the weapons included in it. So the extra shotgun or sunburst or extra assault rifle you will just equip, the perks won't be included in that. So right now you can see I have recon included, so my scout and berserker perk will be only active. There won't be any perk for the assault rifle. Right now I'm using the sniper perk. You can see there will be different perks for the 2 guns, but the extra gun I will choose, there won't be any perk for that. You can see they have particular option for that. They have particular column from the left side. So these are the thing. And one more thing, many guys were complaining to me that they are getting the death matches. So let me show you guys the screenshot here. It's called feature mode. So maybe they have, it's a bug. In classic battles the enemy is just getting healed up, and in classic battle we are getting death matches in capture points and stuff. So that's the bad thing in this update right now. Maybe they can fix it. If they are not planning to do that, that's the suggestion I am giving it from my side. In capture points, I don't think so it's a good idea to support campers, because most of the time there will be icebreaker or Orochi guys camping in the capture point. So capture point, leave them like it was. But the 4-gun loadout, kudos to you guys, cheers. And yeah, it's a great decision. But deathmatch in capture, no, that's not. So yeah, let's see the gameplay with 4-gun loadout or 3-gun loadout. Let's go. Okay, so right now I'm using bear trap with my icebreaker and eye. Okay, let's see. I'm going from left side. You can see obviously I have my bear trap and I I will support my teammate, and he's using undying. Now you have undying is nerfed, so it's only for 3 seconds guys, so don't use it before you need it. Okay. So he was using scorpion, I used my throwing knife. I will be just practicing with throwing knife. I won't be using stims and launcher, because stims and launcher are nerfed. Launcher damage is decreased by 19%. Oh, I missed it, but bear trap took the kill. Okay, let me just one more shot. Damn. Okay, let's try to kill him. Damn. Okay, I'm practicing with bear trap. I will be using it with my sniper loadout, but you have to set up your loadout according to your gameplay guys, so it will take some time to get used to it. Don't be so judgmental that I don't like this loadout and stuff. And about the feature mode and the death matches guys, I have already told you guys I am not happy with the deathmatch in capture point. They should fix it. I think it's a bug. The feature mode is mixed with the classic thing, so maybe they will fix it, and hopefully they will fix it, because I am not in the favor of death matches in capture points. So feature mode is a great thing or an event, but in classic games it shouldn't be included. So that's my suggestion for Godzone guys, if you are watching. And rest, I'm just happy with it. I am just seeing the new changes. I am getting used to the changes right now. I don't feel that much amount of changes, but yeah, while I'm using shotgun, I can use different loadout. I can use sunburst and crossbow and shotgun in one loadout. So yeah, it's a great change. I will just make a detailed video if I see any other change. So that's it. That's the first impression. I'm pretty happy with it, but the only bug I don't like, again I am saying, is the camping and the healing in the capture points. But if it's only in feature mode, it's okay. But in classic battles, I don't think it's a good idea. I think so it's a bug, so hopefully they will fix it. And yeah, just enjoy the gameplay. Peace.
Merciless.
Bad boys, ਅਸੀਂ bad ਮੁੰਡੇ bad boys, ਅਸੀਂ bad ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ